How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can blur a part of a video in CapCut. So let's just get started with the process and find out how to. So if you want to blur a certain part of a video in CapCut, first of all, go ahead and add the video here in the timeline. And once it is added, you'll be finding in the bottom. So in order to blur it, first of all, what you can do is go ahead and apply the effect from the bottom. After that, go to video effects, and in the search bar, go ahead and search for blur. You can just go ahead and do that. And after that, select the blur that you want to apply. For example, this one right here. So after it is applied, you can apply it to the whole video first. And once that is done, the next thing you need to do is go ahead and overlay the same video. So you can tap on this add overlay option. After that, apply the same video, make it to the same distance it was earlier. And then once that is done, in the bottom you can find this option called mask. So just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you can choose circle or rectangle and different options. And you can invert it. After that is done, you can place it in the part of the video that you want to blur. And once that is done, it will be blurred. It will blur a certain part of a video. So that is it. This is how you blur a certain part of a video in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.